Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. How are you all? Today is 25 January and Tuesday. Our topic is read and write the time. So open up your books, page number 131. We will learn how to read the time on the analog clock. You can see here is the first clock A, the clock face, the numbers, both the numbers, hands, both the minutes and hour hands are on number 12. The small hand always tell us hours and the bigger hand, longer hand tell us about the minutes. When the small and the longer hand both are on 12, it means the time is 12 o'clock. How do you write 12 o'clock? 12 O, comma and clock. The time is 12 o'clock. Okay, let's read the time of the B part face, clock face. Now you can see here the small hand is pointing on number 7. It means 7 hours and how many minutes? The longer hand, which is also known as minute hand, the minute hand is pointing toward 12. So it means what the time is right now 7 o'clock. No minutes. When the minutes hand move towards 1, 2 and 3, it will tell us the minutes. And the hour hand, after completion of one round, it moves to the next number. Hour hand moves after 60 minutes to the next number. Only the minutes hand moves in one circle to complete the 60 minutes. It moves from 1 to 12, okay, to tell us the minutes. So the time on this clock is right now 7 o'clock, okay. So what is the time in C face, clock face? The small hand is pointing toward 3. It means 3 hours and how many minutes? The long hand is on the 12. It means 3 o'clock. Okay. So now come to the next hand, next clock face D. This hour hand pointing towards 10 and the minutes hand is pointing toward 12. It means the time is right now 10 o'clock. Okay, 10 o'clock, exact 10 o'clock. Okay, no minutes. If the minutes hand moves to on 1, number 1, we can say the time is 5 minutes past 10. But we will say 5 minutes past 10. If the minutes hand moves to 2, अगर वो 2 पे move कर जाएगी तो we will say 10 minutes past 10. इसका मतलब है 10 बजकर 10 minutes. Okay. So now you have to tell only the exact time, not the minutes. Okay. The time is right now. Small hand tell us about the hour and the minute hand tell us about the minutes. So it is the time is right now exact 10 o'clock in this phase. So you will write here 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Okay. What is the time here in E, clock face? The small hand is pointing toward 8 and the bigger hand towards 12. The time is right now 8 o'clock. What you will write here? We will write here 8 o'clock. Okay. So you have to write the time on all the clock faces and then move to the next page. Now G, H and I parts you also have to do on this page. Okay, on page 132. It's not 131, it's page number 132 in your books. Okay, match the digital clock. You have to match the digital clock and analog clock that shows the same time. These are the digital clocks and these are analog clocks. So you have to match the same time. Now you can see this is the time 4 o'clock. What is the time? 4 o'clock. Now you have to match this 4 o'clock with the clock and analog clock that is showing 4 o'clock. So this one is the 4 o'clock. The hour end is pointing toward 4 and the minutes ends on 12. So the time is right now 4 o'clock. So we will match this clock with the 4 o'clock. Okay. Now look at the second digital clock. The time is 8 o'clock. Now again move to the other side and look on which clock the time is 8 o'clock. Yes, this last one clock showing the time 8 o'clock. You can write the time under the clock. 8 o'clock. So you will match this second one with the 8 o'clock. Like this. Okay, so you have to match the time of digital clock with the analog clock face. Okay, thank you so much.